So what's going on, Nathan? Here we are, Nathan is. He's almost 20 months tomorrow, 20 months old. And he is cooking, but he got sidetracked when I grabbed the camera. He's been doing such a good job. Okay, Nathan. Oh, you're gonna draw something?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're not gonna cook anymore?
No.
You're done, huh? Okay, come here, let me help you down. 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 And here's your notebook. Okay, well, we have one good little chef, and you missed it, but that's okay. I'll always remember it. Can you get that lid off, Nathan?